Hi friends, welcome to Bright Learners. Today we'll learn 100 everyday jobs with easy daily use English sentences. Are you ready? Let's get started. I am a teacher. I teach students.
I am a principal. I manage a school. I am a professor. I teach at a university.
I am a school secretary. I help with schoolwork. I am a librarian. I help people find books. I am a babysitter. I take care of children. I am an aide. I help teachers and students.
I am a janitor. I clean the school.
I am a cafeteria worker. I serve food. I am a scientist. I do experiments.
I am an astronaut. I travel to space. I am a doctor. I help sick people.
I am a nurse. I care for patients. I am a dentist. I fix teeth.
I am a pediatrician. I help children stay healthy.
I am an eye doctor. I check eyes.
I am a veterinarian. I help animals.
I am a pharmacist. I give people medicine. I am a psychologist. I help people with feelings.
I am a police officer. I keep people safe. I am a firefighter. I put out fires. I am a mail carrier. I deliver mail. I am a security guard. I protect places. I am a lifeguard. I save people in water. I am a crossing guard. I help children cross the street. I am a detective. I solve crimes. I am a mechanic. I fix cars. I am a plumber. I fix pipes. I am an electrician. I fix wires. I am a carpenter. I build things. I am a painter. I paint walls. I am a welder. I join metal. I am a construction worker. I build buildings. I am a factory worker. I make products. I am a road worker. I fix roads. I am an engineer. I manage construction. I am an architect. I design buildings. I am an IT technician. I fix computers. I am an app developer. I build apps.
I am a cashier. I take payments.
I am a stalker. I put items on shelves.
I am a store manager. I manage a store. I am a salesperson. I sell products.
I am an office worker. I work in an office.
I am a receptionist. I answer phones.
I am a barber. I cut hair. I am a tailor. I make clothes.
I am a real estate agent. I sell houses. I am a bank teller. I help customers with money. I am a loan officer. I help people get loans. I am an accountant. I work with numbers.
I am a social worker. I help people. I am a chef. I cook food. I am a cook. I prepare meals. I am a server. I serve food.
I am a barista. I make coffee.
I am a bartender. I make drinks. I am a baker. I bake bread. I am a food counter attendant. I serve food. I am a butcher. I cut meat.
I am a bus driver. I drive a bus.
I am a taxi driver. I drive passengers. I am a train conductor. I run trains. I am a pilot. I fly airplanes.
I am a flight attendant. I help passengers.
I am a delivery person. I deliver packages. I am a captain. I lead a ship. I am a sailor. I work on ships. I am a tour guide. I show places to visitors. I am a farmer. I grow food. I am a fisherman. I catch fish. I am a cowboy. I take care of cattle.
I am a gardener. I grow plants.
I am a garbage collector. I collect trash.
I am a zookeeper. I care for animals. I am an artist. I make art.
I am a writer. I write stories.
I am an illustrator. I draw pictures.
I am a magician. I do magic. I am a clown. I make people laugh. I am an actor. I act in movies.
I am an actress. I act in movies.
I am a musician. I play music. I am a singer. I sing songs.
I am a ballerina. I dance ballet.
I am a photographer. I take photos.
I am a model. I show fashion. I am a reporter. I report news.
I am a radio host. I host radio shows. I am a YouTuber. I make videos. I am an athlete. I play sports. I am a swimmer. I swim in races. I am a coach. I train players. I am a referee. I follow the rules. I am a president. I lead a country. I am a prime minister. I lead a country.
I am a judge. I make legal decisions.
I am a lawyer. I help people with laws.
I am a housewife. I take care of my family.
I am a house husband. I take care of my home.
I am a grandparent caregiver. I care for my grandchildren. I am a kid helper. I help my family. I am a therapy dog. I help people feel calm. That's all for today. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time. Bye for now.